Obila e boma ma Machakos ochielo gi magina monego Achich achiel kendo maka Achich machielo e apedha mane oyude nyamburko mayando kwale gwenge ma Machakos. Komanda mar obila e county no Patrick Lobolia wacho ni ji ariyogo gin moko kuom ji mantiere e kweth mar njore mag kuo nyamburko mosebedo kasando oganda e county ma Machakos kod alwora mare. Lobolia wacho ni nyamburko no kido mar Isuzu D-Max mabedo ga City Cabanas Nairobi achijego nochopo mar wuondore ni nitiere mwandu magidwaro ting'o. Lobolia wacho ni en bang' kuo mar nyamburko no emane gineno ni mago jokuoge.
The owner tracked the vehicle, and the vehicle was spotted at a place called Mutitune. So from there, the communication between the police and the owner of the vehicle started, and they followed the vehicle. The vehicle went towards Mombone, and then lastly, it was heading towards Machakos town. Hapo polisi wakafuata hiyo gari kutoka nyuma, wengine pia wakaelezewa walikuwa mbele. So ikatrakiwa wakakuja kufika Mombone wakakunywa mafuta. The owner was not unable to put off the engine because he already knew that the police were following the vehicle. Then as they entered Machakos town, that's where the police intercepted the vehicle. They were stopped. The driver stopped and then took off towards a bushy area. Then he was followed by officers. The other person whom we arrested, he remained inside the car because he said that these are police, and he was arrested. The other one took off. Then on the way, at a bushy place, he withdrew a pistol like a toy pistol. He withdrew this one. Then he pointed at the officers